Hello, everyone. Have you ever found yourself wondering if your casual English is appropriate for that important meeting, interview, or even a classroom setting? Today, we're diving into a transformative topic.
Totally. I'm not sure if I've used the right words before. One time I said, "What's popping?" in a job interview and, it was awkward.
Haha, that sums it up perfectly. But not to worry, we're sharing 6 powerful strategies to help you sound more polished and confident when speaking English.
Oh wow, 6 strategies? That sounds amazing. Laughs. I can't wait to dive in.
Let's kick things off with the importance of greetings. The way you say hello sets the tone for the entire interaction.
Got it. So, what's a good greeting to use in formal settings?
Great question. You want to aim for good morning, hello, or how are you today? Instead of something too casual like, hey, it's all about respect.
Oh, that makes sense. It's kind of like walking into a fancy restaurant and saying, "What's up?" instead of, "Good evening." Sigh, that would feel weird.
Moving on to our second strategy, keeping your communication short and clear. This is key.
But isn't being long-winded supposed to sound more intelligent? I thought using big words is the way to go.
Actually, many believe that, but the truth is, concise is king. For instance, instead of saying, "In the event that it rains, the meeting will be postponed," just say, "If it rains, the meeting is off."
Oh, I remember my friend gave a presentation and went on forever. It was so confusing. Laughs. Keeping it short would have helped.
Now let's move on to cutting out fillers from your speech.
Fillers? And. I may use those a lot. Are they really that bad?
Yes, they can weaken your message. Instead of saying, I think this could, work, just jump right in with, "I believe this will work."
Got it. It's like when a movie has a dramatic pause. Wow, the tension builds. Laughs. I totally see how that can work with speech too.
On to our next point, the importance of using confident language.
Oh, so, how does that make a difference? Can words really change perceptions?
Absolutely. Small word swaps can dramatically alter how confident you appear. Instead of saying, "Maybe we can try this," just state, "Let's try this."
That's crystal clear. It's like having a coach who believes in the team. They inspire everyone to perform better.
Now let's tackle our 5th strategy, dropping the disclaimers.
What do you mean by disclaimers? Like saying, "I'm not sure, but..."
Exactly. Those phrases can dilute your message. Instead of saying, "I'm not sure, but maybe we should consider this," say confidently, "I suggest we consider this."
Oh, wow, that's powerful. It's like when someone stands up to speak and the whole room goes silent, waiting for something important.
Finally, let's dive into how to give feedback politely.
That's interesting. It's important, right? But how do you say it without sounding harsh?
Absolutely. Instead of saying, "This report is bad," say, "This report could be stronger if we add more details." Quote, polite and constructive.
Oh, I like that. It's like giving someone helpful directions instead of just pointing out they're lost, right? Laughs.
So let's summarize what we've learned. Start with proper greetings, keep your sentences short, ditch the fillers, use confident language, drop the disclaimers, and give constructive feedback.
Those sound easy to remember, but they'll change everything. It's like a secret weapon for speaking.
Exactly. These small changes can transform how others perceive you. Just practice daily, and soon, it'll feel natural.
Thanks for the tips. I can't wait to share this episode with my friends. They need it.